Anyway, look, the news has been filled with a lot of scenes this week of flood victims all waving their arms around going, oh no, what are we going to do?
End of the world, really. I mean, certainly makes me very sad because the answer, as we all know, is simple. You buy a Ford Transit van, cut a big hole in the floor, take the back doors off, a couple of engines in it, fans, skirts, put it in the water, it sinks, you get another transit van, more powerful engines, totally redesigned. There we go. This is what we're on about. And it works perfectly. That is the solution. We predicted these floods 6 months ago and came up with the solution.
But what's really annoying is that everybody's blaming the floods on David Cameron, the Environment Agency, pretty much everything you can name.
I know exactly who is to blame for this problem everybody's having. Miranda Hart. You laugh, but here's the thing. We're sitting here now on a Sunday evening. 8-9 million people in Britain have chosen to watch some 1950s midwifery on the other side. So they don't know about the hover van. That is the problem. They've chosen Miranda over us. And our show is rammed full of helpful hints and useful consumer advice.
Every week.
Now,